Hello, my name is Mikeia, and I'm a student at the University of Cincinnati Blue Ash College, and I'm currently in Physics 1051, which is General Physics 1 with Professor Stocker. For this Pencast, I'm going to be doing Mastering Physics problem called Walking Possum, which is question 5, part C. For this question, it gives us a bit of background. My wife is walking our dog, Possum, pulling on the leash with a constant force. F is equal to 2.2 newtons. X hat plus 1.5 newtons. Y hat. For part C, the question asks, how much work does my wife have to do on Possum if Possum runs through a displacement of D is equal to negative 0.44 meters x hat plus negative 0.36 meters y hat. And it asks us to express our answer using two significant figures. So for this problem, what you need to realize is that our force and our displacement are already broken down into our x and y components. So what you need to do is use the Pythagorean theorem for both of them in order to find the resultant force and the resultant displacement, which would be your hypotenuse, which is equal to c. So what I did was, this is for F. So we know that the Pythagorean states that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Once you rearrange it, c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. So for the force, you just plug it in. It's equal to the square root of 2.2 newtons squared plus, extend that a little bit more, 1.5 newtons squared. And you get C is equal to 2.6627 newtons. And you do the same with the displacement. Using the Pythagorean theorem again. C is equal to square root of a squared plus b squared is equal to negative 0.44 meters squared plus negative 0.36 meters squared. You get C is equal to negative 0.5685 0.5 meters for your displacement. And so then what I did was I realized that work is equal to force times the distance. You can write in cosine theta if you want to. Since we're not working with an angle, it's not really necessary. So this just cancels out. And so our resultant force from our x and y components was 2.6627 newtons. So you just plug it in. 6627 newtons times our displacement, which would be our distance, and that is negative 0.5685 meters, and then you get your work is equal to, rounding the two significant figures, negative 1.5 joules. So, how much work does his wife have to do on Possum if Possum runs through a displacement of D is equal to negative 0.44 meters x hat plus negative 0.36 meters y hat? She has to do negative 1.5 joules of work. And that's how I achieved my answer. Thanks for watching.